Welcome to the world of graphing, and we are working on pictographs today. Sometimes we call them pictographs. A lot of times you'll see them as pictographs too. It's just graphs that represent data using pictures. So they're kind of fun because you get to draw a little bit. So let's look at this pictograph. This is representing Michael, Emily, Jose, and Jennifer and Kevin went on a fishing trip. And this pictograph shows how many fish each of them caught, okay? So here's what's super important. The number one thing I want you to remember about pictographs that you can never, ever, ever forget is pictographs don't always represent one. Like this does not always represent 1, 2, 3. This doesn't represent 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 fish. Each picture usually has a key. Look at the key. Haha. In fact, I always draw like a little bubble around it. You guys are used to seeing my bubbles. Let me show you a good bubble. I almost always take my pencil or my pen and I just draw a little bubble around it. This tells me that, Miss Beals, I see the key and I'm using the key to answer the problem. So this key shows me that one picture of a fish is actually 6 fish. So that means I'm going to count by 6s when I figure each of these out. So let's label each of our fish just like we do for all our other graphs. Let's label this fish. Let's go 6, 12, 18. Remember our song? 6, 12, 18. So Michael caught 18 fish. Not 3 fish, but 18 because each picture represents 6 fish. Let's do this one. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36. Emily caught 36 fish. Jose caught 6, 12. Jose caught 12 fish. Jennifer caught 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42. Jennifer caught 42 fish. Okay? Let's do Kevin. 6, 12. What is this? Oh my goodness, it's like someone chopped the fish in half. This is only half of a fish. It's like they took this picture and they cut it in half. Well, that's actually pretty smart because Kevin only caught half of what this fish is worth. One whole fish is worth 6. So what do you think half a fish is? If one whole fish is worth 6, then half a fish is worth half that. What is half of 6? 3. You cut 6 into 2 pieces, you get 3 and 3. So half of 6 is 3. So half a fish is worth 3. So this fish is worth 6. This fish is worth 6. This fish is worth 3 because it's half of a picture. So Kevin's got 6, 12, and then he's got 13, 14, 15. So Kevin caught 15 because he's got half a fish here. All right, let's use our numbers to answer some questions. Now, our questions are either going to ask us to read the graph, just read it, or it might ask us to add and subtract. Remember, guess the plus, minus the minus. Adding gives total, altogether, in all, both, combined, and those tell us to add. Minus the minus, lose, have less, take away. Nothing is left. We have so few. How many more things? Okay, so let's look at a few. How many fish did Michael catch? Easy, just got to read the graph. 18, we already solved it. I don't have a lot of room, so I'll just write the 18 here. How many fish did Emily catch? We already did it, 36. How many fish did Kevin catch? Kevin caught 15. Remember that half of a fish is half of 6. How many more, how many more fish did Emily catch than Jose? So how many more is that guess the plus or minus the minus? Do you guys remember? How many more? Minus the minus. That's the minus the minus. So there's my subtraction. I'm going to minus Emily and Jose. So let's look at Emily. Emily is 36. And Jose is 12. Smallest numbers on the bottom. And let's subtract, because how many more is minus the minus? 6, 5, 4, and 3 minus 1 is 2. So how many more fish did Emily catch? She caught 24 more fish. How many fish did the girls catch? All right, so I've got to look at the girls. I've got Emily and Jennifer are my only girls. What do you guys think I'm going to do if I want to know how many the girls catch? Am I going to add those numbers or subtract? I'm going to add them. I want to know how much the girls caught total. So Emily caught 36 right here, and then Jennifer caught 42. I want to know how much the girls caught in all. So I got 6, 7, 8, 4, 5, 6, 7. The girls caught 78 total. They did really good. All right, how many fish did the boys catch? Okay, am I going to add or subtract if I want to know how much the boys caught? I'm going to add up all the boys, right? That just makes sense. Okay, the boys, we've got Michael, Jose, and Kevin. Michael caught 18, plus Jose caught 12, and Kevin caught 15. So I'm adding up all three of those to figure out how much the boys caught in all. 8 plus 2 is 10, plus 5 is 15, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. 45. The boys caught 45 in all. All right, how many more? What does that mean? What does how many more mean? Guess the plus or minus the minus? Minus the minus. Fish did the girls catch than the boys? How much more did the girls catch than the boys? All right, well, do I know how much the girls caught? I do. Look, ooh, was really big. Look how much the girls caught. The girls caught 78. Girls caught 78. How much more did the girls catch than the boys? Well, the boys caught 45, remember? How many more means minus the minus, so I just subtract those two numbers. Big number on top. 8 minus 5, 7 minus 4, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. The girls caught 33 more. So I used the girls' total and the boys' total, and I just subtracted it with minus the minus. Okay? I would do some erasing. Or we look at our next one. Erase my bubble here. All right, let's look at this. How many fish did Jose and Kevin catch? That and tells me to put Jose and Kevin together. Jose is 12, because I already solved it. Kevin is 15. So 5, 6, 7, and then 1 plus 1 is 2. So together, they got 27. Remember, that and tells me to combine, to put together, to add. 9 says, find the sum. What does sum mean? What does sum mean? It means to add. Find the sum. Find the sum of the fish caught by all 5 people. What does all tell me to do? Look. So I've got sum and all. I'm definitely going to add. What am I going to add up? I'm going to add all 5 people. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to add all these up to see how much fish were caught total. How much fish did those friends catch total that day? All right, well, all I got to do is add them up, so I'll line them up. Remember, we're not doing anything in our head. We're doing 18 plus 36 plus 12 plus 42 plus 15. Doing nothing in my head. I'm adding it up on paper. So 8 plus 5 is 13, 14, 15, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 23. I got 23. Put the 3 down here. Regroup the 2. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12. I got 123. So in all, in this whole graph, all 5 people caught 123 fish. Okay? Who caught fewer fish? Jennifer or Emily? It's just asking me who caught fewer. Fewer means less, right? Less. Who caught less? Jennifer, she caught 42, or Emily, she caught 36. Who caught less? Emily, she has less up here. So my answer, who caught less? Emily caught less. She only caught 36. Did Jennifer catch an odd or even number of fish? Odd numbers end in 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. Those are odd numbers. Even numbers end in 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. So odd numbers end in these and even numbers end in these. So did Jennifer catch an odd number or an even number? Look at Jennifer, 42. 42 ends in a 2, and that is even. A 2 is even, so she caught an even number of fish. Jose said, I caught a dozen fish. Is he correct? Explain. Well, what is a dozen? Does anyone know? Like a dozen cookies or a dozen eggs? Means 12. A dozen means 12. So did Jose catch 12? He did catch 12. So yes, he is correct because a dozen is the same as 12, and he caught 12. All right, guys, you did a great job with our pictographs. We will definitely make some together in class. I'm so proud of you.